Hello everyone, welcome to the WooCommerce Wallet System demo. In this video, we will explore the new Wallet Central dashboard and its latest features for customers and store admins. First, we will explore the front-end user experience, and then we will move to the admin panel to manage wallet settings and configurations. Firstly, we have moved to the Wallet Central dashboard. Here is the new dashboard, designed in a FinTech-style interface. From here, we can see the available balance, add money, withdraw money, redeem codes, and send money to another user. We also get options to track recent activities and auto-reload settings. We can top up bonuses from here, check recent orders, and access many other options to monitor wallet limits as well. On the left navigation bar, we can see options for transactions, send money, withdraw, request, QR pay, refer and earn, request fund, and KYC verification. We'll go through these one by one. Now we are on the Transactions page. From here, you can easily manage your transactions. You get different filter options where you can select a date range and manage transactions accordingly. You also get the option to download transaction statements, which are exported in CSV format. Moving ahead, we have the Send Money option. From here, you can easily enter the recipient's name, the amount, and an optional note. Accordingly, you can send money to another user. Next, we have the Withdraw option. From here, you can enter the amount you want to withdraw and select the withdrawal method accordingly. You can also check your recent withdrawal requests. This is followed by the Payment Requests section. Here, you can easily view received or sent requests, and you also get the option to request money. From here, you can enter the recipient's email, amount, and an optional note, then send the request. Next up, we have the QR Pay option. Here's how it works. You can share this QR code or your wallet handle. Senders can scan it from their wallet app, and the funds are credited instantly to your wallet balance. Moving ahead, we have the Refer and Earn option. From here, you can see the total earned amount and the number of friends invited. You can share your referral code through social media platforms or simply copy and share directly. Next, we have the Request Fund option. From here, you can request funds, and the admin can review the requested amount and credit it to your wallet. Next up is the KYC verification option, where you can submit your documents for verification. These documents will be reviewed by the admin, and once approved, your account will be KYC verified. In this Wallet Central dashboard, we also get customization options. From here, we can adjust the Balance Hero section, number formatting, sparkline settings, multi-currency options, accent colors, and display density, choosing between comfortable and compact layouts. Now we'll move to the shop and see how customers can place an order using the wallet cart system. Here, we have already added some items to the cart. We'll move to the cart page and proceed to checkout. If the customer does not have sufficient balance in their wallet, they get the option for Buy Now, Pay Later. They can also select their preferred payment method, including the Pay via Wallet option. Additionally, they get the option for partial payment through the wallet. Once selected, a portion of the payment will be deducted from the wallet balance, and the customer will also receive the wallet discount. We click on Place Order, and the order is successfully placed. So, this is how the wallet system works for customers. Now we will move to the admin panel to see how the admin can configure the wallet system and manage its settings. Here is the admin dashboard. On the left navigation bar, we can see the WooCommerce add-ons section. We click on Wallet System. Once opened, the admin can manage customer wallets from here. They can manually create transactions, export wallet data, and check customer orders. Next, they can manage transactions. They can easily export wallet transaction details in PDF format and filter transactions using the date options. Following that, we have the Withdrawal section. From here, the admin can manage withdrawal requests. Next up is the Refund Requests section. Here, the admin can review wallet refund requests and check whether the status is pending, rejected, approved, or completed. Next up, we have the Cashback Rules option. From here, we can view existing cashback rules and also create new rules as needed. Moving ahead, we have the Wallet Coupons section. From here, the admin can manage wallet coupons. Next, we move to the Analytics section. This is a very important area where the admin can monitor wallet analytics. From here, the admin can check the total wallet balance, active wallet users, transaction volume, and several other key metrics. They also get graphical reports to better analyze wallet performance and track the latest activities performed by users. Moving ahead, we have the Settings section. From here, the admin can manage all settings related to the Wallet System plugin. The admin can also configure the Buy Now, Pay Later feature. They can easily enable or disable it, enter the required details, and save the changes. Moving ahead, the admin also gets the option for bulk credit. From here, they can select a target user group, enter the credit amount, expiry date, scheduled date and time, and transaction note. Accordingly, they can distribute credits immediately or schedule them for later. Lastly, we have the API keys section, from where the admin can manage the Wallet System API keys. So, yeah, that was pretty much everything about the WooCommerce Wallet System plugin. And that's all about the functionality of this app. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.